Tired of DuckDuckGo logging you out of your favorite sites every time you close the browser? Learn how to fireproof any site in 30 seconds. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to fireproof a site on DuckDuckGo in just a few clicks. No complicated settings, just a simple menu option. All right, let's jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is open your DuckDuckGo browser. I've been using this browser for a while now, and this fireproof feature is honestly one of the most useful things they've added. It solves that annoying problem where you have to log into your email or your banking site over and over again. So go ahead and launch DuckDuckGo on your computer. Now, here's the part that matters. You need to navigate to the web page you actually want to fireproof. For me, that's usually something like my email inbox or a forum I visit every day. Just type in the address or click on a bookmark. It really doesn't matter how you get there. The key is that you are on the page you want to keep logged into. So if you want to stay signed in to your social media account, go to that login page and make sure you're already signed in before we do the next step. All right, now look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see three little horizontal lines. That's your browser menu button. Go ahead and click on it. This is where all the important settings live. I've tested this on several different versions of DuckDuckGo, and that menu button is always in the same spot. It's consistently the three lines in the top right corner, so you can't miss it. Now, from that menu, look for an option that says Fireproof this site. It should be right there in the dropdown. Just click it. And that is literally it. You'll see a little flame icon appear next to the site's address bar, which is your visual confirmation that this site is now fireproofed. From this point forward, every time you close DuckDuckGo and open it back up, this site will remember your login and your settings. It will not clear the data for this site. So to wrap things up, that is how you fireproof a site on DuckDuckGo. It takes about 10 seconds once you know where to look. No more getting logged out of your important sites, no more re-entering preferences every single time. Just a quick trip to that three-line menu and you are set for good. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.